This is one of the first Off-White Nike collaboration sneakers that I picked up in my collection. This, of course, is the Nike Off-White Blazer Mid OG the 10. I actually picked this up from Cop Garden a few months back, and man, did I love the shoe. I love the build. I love the styling. It was so versatile. It was so easy to wear. It just had check marks on everything that I wanted in a sneaker, maybe except for like extreme comfort. But I'll talk about that in a bit. Now, I loved it so much that fast forward several months down the road, I actually picked up this pair. This is the Off-White Nike Blazer Mid Grim Reaper, and that's what we'll be talking about today's vlog. Guys, my name is Carlo. Welcome to the channel. This is where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech, and this is my on-feet review of the Off-White Nike Blazer Mid Grim Reaper. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. We're giving away a brand new Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. All you guys have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and then click the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell. Now, as you guys can see, when it comes to styling and color blocking, it's dominantly black and white. And that's actually something that Virgil talked about when he released the Nike Off-White Air Force One. This one that you guys see in black and white. Apparently, Virgil was really fascinated between the contrast of the colors of black and white, and he just loved how it looked. And that's the reason why he came out with a lot of black and white colorways of the sneaker collabs that he did with Nike. Of course, you had the Vapor Max, one of his first black and white sneakers. You had the Air Force One that I just talked about. You had this Blazers. You had the Air Max 97s. You have the Air Max 90s. And you even have the Zoom Fly. So he really fell in love with the black and white colorway. And I can't blame the guy because it's just so versatile. The color makes it so easy to wear, regardless whatever pants you're wearing, what shirt you're wearing. It's the type of sneaker that you can just pick up, put on, and then walk out and still look fresh. And that, I think, is one of the main appeals of the black and white colorways of the sneakers that Virgil released in collaboration with Nike. So let's talk about the Blazer Mid Grim Reapers here in my hand. If you want to keep it casual, just let the white laces stay on the shoe. Now, if you want it a little more dark, mysterious, brooding, and sleek, all you guys have to do, change it out to the black laces, and it looks like 10 times more kick-ass, in my opinion. But hey, if you want something more casual, go with this one. If you want something a little more brooding and mysterious, you can go with the all-black look. I'd highly recommend, though, that you take out the zip tag. I've never been really a fan of that. Maybe in some situation I would wear it, but for this shoe I probably won't. But yeah, so that just talks to how versatile and flexible this sneaker is. So what about the materials? Now, the thing that really grabbed my attention the most was the use of suede and leather. So you have suede here along the laces, and you also have suede here at the back with that Nike logo here plastered at the back of the heel. Now, when it comes to the leather, this part near the collar is actually made from some sort of like plush premium leather. Problem with this one, though, is that it creases quite easily. So you have to take note of that if you are sliding your feet into the shoe, not to just force it, or else you will fold and crease the collar of the shoe fast. How is the shoe on feet? To be honest, it is not the most comfortable sneaker out there. Because if you want comfort, you can go for the Air Maxes. You can go for the sneakers with React on them. When it comes to the Blazer Mid, it's your typical, mid-cut, high-cut shoe that has like a typical foam outsole and midsole. So it's not the most comfortable sneaker in the Off-White Nike collaboration or in the black and white colorway, color blocking collection of Virgil Abloh. So there are more comfortable options out there. So do I recommend it? In my opinion, guys, you only need just one of the black and white sneakers from Virgil Abloh's collaboration with Nike. If you want the look of this one, if you love the style of the Blazer, then obviously you can go for this black and white Grim Reaper Blazer, if that's your priority. But if you want something more comfortable, if you want something that can really that will allow you to wear it for like multiple hours without foot fatigue, I would actually recommend that you guys just go for the Air Force One. which came out just fairly recently. So you have that black and white colorway, that color blocking, super comfortable with that full airbag encased in the midsole. Probably one of my favorites in the black and white, like color blocking colorways that Virgil Abloh made with Nike. There's also, of course, the Vapor Max that I mentioned earlier, but this is a hit or miss depending on if you are compatible and if you love the feel of the Vapor Max. Not a lot of people actually like it, so it is kind of polarizing. So it really depends on whatever it is that you guys are looking for. Personally, my choice, if I were to pick just one of the black and white off-white Air Force Ones. Well, I kind of gave that away. I go with the Air Force One. I just love the silhouette. I love the color. I love how comfortable it is. I love how easy it is as well to wear. A few more things to wrap up the review. When it comes to sizing, I would recommend that you guys go through to size. But for people with wide feet, please take note that the midfoot section of the shoe, as you guys can see here, is a bit narrow. So you might want to consider going half or a full size up. And that, ladies and gentlemen, wraps up my review of the Nike Off-White Grim Reaper Blazer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're all having a great weekend. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We are about to draw the winner for the Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that one. And lastly, before I end, I just want to plug, we do have my unboxing of the entire Adidas Game of Thrones Ultra Boost collection. Those are the sneakers that you guys can actually see here at my back. I have all 6. So if you guys haven't watched my early because it hasn't come out yet officially, unboxing of the Adidas Ultra Boost Game of Thrones collection, I will put the link down below in the comment section pinned, as well as in the description box. And that's it for the vlog, guys. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.